was a noise coming from the church. The priest took the boy to check it out. With water vapor billowing up, a figure appeared in the corner. The nun's eyes snapped open. Candles were extinguished. Priest floated straight up into the air. Fire consumed him. The boy screamed in terror. Sister realized in an instant. The spirit she sent away is still alive, and now the bishop has assigned her to investigate. But Sister refused. Just last night, Sister had a dream that Frenchie, who had survived the same fate, sending her a cry for help. Sister awoke with a start. Blood came out of her nose. Another nun told Sister. A little boy witnessed the whole thing. Sister first found the boy and asked him about the priest's murder, but he seemed terrified. He ran away with his friends. Sister tried to follow, but when he turned the corner, everyone had disappeared. She slowly approached the pictures and suddenly, Sister was pulled into a vision. In a flash of fire, an object appeared. The woman was holding it in her hand and her eyes lit up.